Welcome to Top Best Picks. The Best Tray Lewis is probably one of the most versatile and sought-after pieces of equipment for any serious home chef or professional looking to elevate their culinary game, offering unparalleled precision and control that can transform everyday ingredients into gourmet masterpieces. This innovative tool is designed to streamline complex cooking techniques, making it accessible for both seasoned gourmands and aspiring cooks alike, promising consistent, restaurant-quality results with every use and adding a touch of sophistication to your kitchen arsenal. Number 5. Grace and Stella Award-winning Under-Eye Mask. Are dark circles, puffiness, or wrinkles making you look tired? Our award-winning under-eye masks are here to help refresh your look. These soothing gel patches are designed to target common concerns like dark circles and puffy eyes. They work to diminish the appearance of fine lines and bags, leaving your under-eye area looking smoother. Formulated with care, our vegan eye masks provide a gentle yet effective treatment. You can feel good about what you're putting on your skin. Looking for a thoughtful gift? These masks make a wonderful present, especially as a get-well-soon surprise for the women in your life. With 24 pairs in each pack, you can enjoy the benefits of these revitalizing blue gel patches regularly. See and feel the difference for yourself. What we like. If you're tired of looking tired, these under-eye masks are your secret weapon. They work wonders to combat dark circles and puffiness. For those seeking a quick refresh and a brighter under-eye appearance, these are a must-have. What people say. The tray is designed to hold a laptop and a mouse, with a dedicated space for each. It features a built-in wrist rest for added comfort during long work sessions. The adjustable height mechanism allows for easy customization to suit individual ergonomic needs. Number 4. UMAID Himalayan Salt Block Cooking Plate. Discover the unique way to enhance your meals with our Himalayan salt block. It naturally seasons your food while you cook, adding a subtle, delicious flavor. This versatile block can be used on your grill, in the oven, or on the stovetop. It's perfect for cooking steaks, seafood, and vegetables, and then serving them directly to your guests. Not just for cooking, it can also be chilled for serving sushi, cheese boards, or appetizers. Enjoy year-round versatility for all your entertaining needs. Your purchase includes the salt block, a durable steel serving tray, and a recipe booklet. Everything you need to get started is right here. Transform your ordinary meals into interactive and exciting dining experiences. It's perfect for family dinners, BBQs, and holiday gatherings. Grill your favorite steaks, seafood, burgers, and vegetables on this natural salt surface. It's designed for both exceptional cooking and stunning presentation. What we like. Elevate your culinary game with this unique cooking plate. It naturally seasons your food while cooking, adding a subtle, delicious flavor. If you love to grill, entertain, or simply want to impress with a unique dining experience, this is for you. What people say. The product is well designed and functions as advertised. Features are intuitive and easy to use, making it a great addition to my setup. Number 3. Ice Mallet and Lewis Bag Set. Achieve perfectly crushed ice with ease. Simply place ice in the bag, fold the flap, and smash away on a level surface until you reach your desired consistency. Crafted for durability, this set features a heavy-duty wooden hammer made from 100% beechwood. The canvas bag boasts double-reinforced stitching for long-lasting use. Transform your craft cocktail game with this professional bar tool. It's an essential addition to any home bar or kitchen kit. Make a significant difference in your drinks by using crushed ice. It's ideal for chilling beverages to perfection and is a must for mint juleps, Moscow mules, margaritas, and Mai Tais. This versatile set is the key to creating your favorite cocktails exactly how you like them. Elevate your drink-making experience today. What we like. Achieve perfectly crushed ice for your favorite cocktails with this classic set. Its durable design ensures long-lasting use for all your home bartending needs. If you're a cocktail enthusiast looking to perfect your drinks, this is an essential addition to your toolkit. What people say. The product is well designed and functions as advertised. Features are intuitive and easy to use, making the setup process a breeze. The build quality is excellent, with durable materials that feel premium. Number 2. Shappy Watercolor Palette 33 Compartments. Discover the ultimate tool for your artistic endeavors. This versatile palette is designed to elevate your painting experience, whether you're a seasoned artist or just beginning. With 28 individual wells and 5 larger mixing areas, you'll have all the space you need to organize your colors and blend them to perfection. It's incredibly convenient and practical for any painting project. Its thoughtful design includes a thumbhole and brush holders, allowing for comfortable one-handed use. The lid also helps keep your paints moist, so you can focus on your art. Ideal for artists, students, and painting enthusiasts alike, this palette is a fantastic addition to any art kit. It's suitable for watercolor, gouache, acrylic, and oil paints. Crafted from sturdy yet lightweight plastic, this palette is built to last. Its smooth surfaces make cleaning a breeze, ensuring it's always ready for your next masterpiece. When folded, it's compact and easy to carry, making it perfect for on-the-go artists. Take your creativity wherever inspiration strikes. What we like. Unleash your creativity with this versatile watercolor palette. Its smart folding design and ample wells make it perfect for artists on the go. If you're a painter who values organization and portability, this palette will become your new favorite companion. What people say. The product is very well made and durable. It has a sleek and modern design that looks great in any room. The functionality is excellent, with easy-to-use controls and multiple settings. Number 1. Simply Squared 12 Square Tray. Introducing the Simply Squared 12 Square Tray, a stylish addition to your home. It's designed to elevate your everyday dining and special occasions. This tray brings a high-class vibe to any serving situation. Its sophisticated design makes every meal feel special. Whether it's a grand celebration, a casual gathering, or a simple family dinner at home, this tray is the perfect choice. It's versatile for all your needs. Crafted from high-quality, non-toxic plastic, it offers satisfying durability. The sophisticated design ensures it looks great while being safe to use. Enjoy its classy vibe and then simply dispose of it for quick and easy party cleanup. It makes entertaining a breeze. What we like. Add a touch of elegance to any event with this simple yet sophisticated square tray. Its durable construction makes it perfect for serving guests. If you're hosting a party or gathering and need a stylish, convenient serving solution, this tray is an excellent choice. What people say. The product is well designed and functions as advertised. Features are intuitive and easy to use. High-quality materials ensure durability. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.